Okay, this is what a works cited page is. Notice it comes after your paper at the very end of whatever you're writing. This can be a paper, a letter, a blog, any of it. Comes at the end. Notice it's double spaced. This is called a hanging indent. Notice the works cited is centered. Notice it's in alphabetical order, H-E-M. This should actually not all be capitalized. There we go. Notice it's author's last name, first name. So we're going to do this to a different works cited page so you can see how to format it. So let's say you have all your source citations, and if you want to learn how to make a source citation, go to the Make a Source Citation link in this informational guide. So we have a works cited page. Notice I have works cited at the top. It is not double spaced yet. So I'm just going to start formatting it. And the purpose of this video is for you to pause this video and go back and format your own page. So works cited. Notice this thing, you click center. Then I need to make it all double spaced. So I'm going to highlight it. Come up here to this symbol, click double. Okay. Then I'm going to give it a hanging indent. So pay attention. You click on this little triangle, you move it over. If you click on, well, if you try to click on just the blue rectangle will move without the blue triangle, but the blue triangle will move both of them. So you have to move it over to 0.50. Then you're going to click on the blue rectangle and move it back. And voila. Okay, so now the last step is to put it in alphabetical order. So unfortunately, Google Docs makes you do it by hand. So I'm just going to highlight all of this, put it up there, and then click enter. And then Y should go at the very end. There we go. Now it is done. Okay, so it's double spaced. It's all in alphabetical order. Notice that these sources don't have an author. They all start with the title. So that's what the student would put in their in-text citations as well. That's how you make a works cited page. Thank you.